Okay, what I have here is it's a Murray brand car air conditioning compressor. I have no use for it. It ran out of oil. There's no oil in it. It doesn't build head pressure anymore. So I'm taking it apart, and I couldn't get the. Oh, now it comes out. I see. But basically, I was trying to get the bolts out. Wouldn't come out, so I just bolt cutters and. There's a little barcode on it. It's practically brand new, but I have no use for it. Apparently, you need oil in refrigerant in the lines to actually use these things, and I wanted to use one of these to build like a shop air thing that can run off of like a small lawnmower engine, but that's never gonna happen. I would actually need like an actual, probably air compressor from like a truck with air brakes or something. It does turn. There's the old drive plate for it. It just goes into the middle. And this, when your electromagnet turns on, it sucks it down. And these flex, these little. Let me turn the light. These little bits here flex, and this whole assembly goes down. This stays connected to that. Apparently, there's red Loctite in there, and I managed to break the red Loctite. I didn't manage to. These actually don't even have Loctite. They're just torqued like mad. Way torqued down. There's actually oil in them. So yeah, I'm just taking it apart. I've been working on it since yesterday. I thought that clip in there, there's a little clip in there, I thought that was needed for the electromagnet and pulley to come off. That was not the case. I just attacked it with a crowbar and they kind of just slid right off. So yeah, if I can put you guys down, the camera. Let me flip the lens around, or the screen, without killing power. No. What if I put it in? I don't know. Let me move some stuff out of the way here. Well, and that's still throwing off. That's the rag I have it sitting on for the oil. It'll probably puke a bunch more everywhere. That's gotten into little crevices. So I will put that bucket down. We got the electromagnet off. That's really handy to have. Yeah, I've destroyed the ball bearing in it. I still have the electromagnet, so that's good. Use it to pick up stuff from other stuff. I wonder if I can put the camera like that. No, I'd still need it tilted down. Actually, I could probably use the clutch from the compressor to give it a little bit of a tilt. Kind of works. Not really. A bit more angle. Does that work? This camera doesn't have a battery, so if I knock the power cord off, it'll just stop recording. Guess that'll be fine. A bit more of an angle. I don't know. I guess that's fine, right? Yeah, this thing is pressed together pretty good. Vice grips, put those in there. The bolts, just cut them off. The bolt cutters. So I wasn't about. You can see, I actually rounded them off. For me, attacking them with this socket, wrench, and pliers and vice grips, and a crescent wrench to some extent. Nada. Put that there. Pliers. This is the only bolt I managed to get out, and that was with the vice grips just locked onto it really tight. So put that in here. Yeah. Let's see. Should be able to just. Yeah, okay. So if I can just. Yeah, okay, that's coming off. Yes, sir. Luckily I have this mat under my chair, so that the chair doesn't gouge the floor, so I wouldn't have to worry about compressor oil getting on the floor and possibly ruining the wood. There we go. Yeah, oh, I see. There's a big gasket. I see. I see. That just... Aha! Is it a scroll? No, it's a... I think it's a piston type compressor. There's the back. The ports. That in the box. It smells weird. It's the oil. There's one of the diaphragm little reeds. I should be where... Yeah, it's leaking oil. That... Oh, bicycle bell. Yeah. Another rag. Ah. Old t-shirt. Computer mouse. I don't know why it's a computer right here. I use for research when I'm working on stuff on this little table here. There's a little TV tray actually. Okay. Add another layer of protection, so to speak. I can use. Yeah. Okay. There's your. That's your bottom. That's the front of it. This is the main compressor right here. This big cylinder. It's most likely not a scroll compressor. I'm going to assume it's a piston type compressor. Not like reciprocating. Yeah. Okay, that's just what I thought. Like that. That's one of the little reed plates there with the reed valves in it and the check valves and whatnot. Yeah, there's a little bit of oil in there. My vice grips. Grab onto that shaft on the front. I can turn it by hand. I should be able to. Too slippery. But basically, yeah, it's a funny little thing. These reciprocating compressors or scroll compressors. Oh, I've never come across a scroll compressor in the wild. Just reciprocating fridge compressors. And these, I think I've taken apart one of these before, but it was completely seized. And yeah, it wasn't nearly as hard to take apart as this one. This one is practically brand new. Tried selling it, no one bit, so to speak. But yeah, that is 1 of 10. I gotta get this little piece off on the front here. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, it's like, oh, there's pistons on both sides. That's something I've never seen before. Piston there, piston there. That's a piston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 piston compressor. I've never seen that before. No, I have not. Interesting. Yes. Well, if I have a socket, I can grab onto that instead. That's definitely not a fit. Yeah, that one. That'll fit. Actually, no, it's just kind of, it goes on it, but it doesn't. Nah. What a spark plug socket. Too small. There's a bigger one? No. I don't think the ass end of it will fit on there. This one. Too big. Probably too big, isn't it? Yep. That one's a bit better. It fits on there a bit better. Like I said, I have no intention of reusing this thing ever. It'd be cool if I could build an engine-powered, well, lawnmower engine-powered AC for my room, because my parents never run the Aircon for some stupid reason. My dad and sister went for a bike ride. Yeah, that's not gonna fit on there either. Grab on it with a pair of pliers. You'll see. Oh, I see what it's trying to do. It's just trying to, since there's no bolts holding it together, it's just pushing itself apart. But basically, as this shaft turns, there's so you can see in there, it goes around and the pistons kind of go like, they kind of, it's hard to explain. Just look up car AC compressor running open, I guess. I don't know. I've also heard of automotive scroll compressors. But this is like the most common. You can find it at O'Reilly's. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you can see how it works there. It's a kind of eccentric thing, sort of. Let's see. Grab onto it now. Adjust the channel lock. Yeah, see? See what I mean? The pistons, they kind of, yeah, like that. Yeah. 10 piston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 piston. That's when I took apart. It was smaller. This one must be for like a really big car. I don't know. Maybe it's just designed to be more efficient. Let me see. Read the box. Are you prepared to flush AC system, replace dryer accumulator? Use proper oil pressure. Let me look up your model number. Is there a model number? Yeah. I don't think so. Try to scan that barcode. Turn on the computer there and hook up my barcode gun. Another barcode on here, but yeah, there's nothing on here. What? Just platform specific, original equipment, fit form function, import domestic coverage. Yeah, I think it might have come with some sort of like booklet or something, or pamphlet or whatever, but I just lost it. I don't know. It's like a cool little wheel for a go-kart or something, or even a lawnmower. Or I could coat that in rubber and put a bolt through there. Right. And where's the gun? It's bent. It's not happy. Bend it back. There we go. Sort of. Turn off the stereo. It's probably creating noise in the microphone of the camera. Could be wrong. Okay. Lip plug in. Yeah. Yep, it's working. And there goes the phone. Cordless phone. And right. Yeah. Load. Network icon is just pinwheeling. Yeah, computer kind of. Okay, I don't know how much of the footage I lost because the freaking power cord decided to unplug itself from the wall actually. So I probably need to either replace that outlet or something. So, okay. Where was I? Right. I was going to scan the UPC on the box. No, oh, there it is. Alright. Okay, here we go. AC compressor, 1994 F350, 5.8 liter. Okay, so it's for a Ford. I see. I guess it's for multiple models. It says Bronco and. Okay. No, that's the compressor. Just that one's a bit reman. $141. Can buy in bulk. It's funny. Yes. It's not giving me any information. Description. Prop 65 notice, of course. Ford FS10 compressor. It's not giving me any info. So now we'll look up. And now it's doing all shit again. Okay. S10 compressor. From Summit Racing. You guys up and see if I don't unplug you. Okay. So many fucking pop-ups. Yes, okay, I'll accept your freaking cookies. Now go off my screen. It's basically the one. That one. Okay, now it's just giving me a general search. That's not what I want. Oh yeah, Ford Explorer. Okay. There we go. Mercury Mountaineer, Ranger, Explorer, Mazda, Ford Tempo, Explorer Sport Track. Makes sense. Yeah, that's the one. Even the same little connector on the electromagnet, if I can remember where the hell I put that thing. And yeah, you just lose the frickin' coil, electromagnet. Lovely. But yeah, that's the same little connector that's on the electromagnet on there. Where the hell did I put that frickin' magnet? I'm losing everything. I have another electromagnet from that other compressor sitting on the floor next to me. I don't know how I've had it for that long. No. But yeah, it's a Ford compressor, I guess, in stock. I don't care. It's just trying to install Internet Explorer update that it can't install. No, I don't want to apply for a store card. Yes, I know I'm running Windows 7. Be quiet. What brand is it though? It's just some off-brand thing. It's the same little plug for the electromagnet clutch. Buy it with cruise control switch, front sway bar. This is a remanufactured branded, or what is it, CarQuest branded remanufactured Ford FS10 compressor with clutch. And same little connector for the electromagnetic clutch. No, I don't have an advanced auto parts. Alright, let's be quiet. 12 volts DC. Okay. I could probably use that pulley for something. What it may be, I don't know. But yeah, so that's what's inside of one of these things. Let's take it apart further, shall we? I can flip this around. There's the screen. Let's see. Someone's cranky. Someone's going around Simon shit. Okay, so that's the back part of it. Get that out of the way. How do I go about getting the front off? Nope, I can't beat it off of there. The pistons are double-sided. I have to show you guys that when I figure out how to get this apart. It's not gonna come apart easily, that's for sure. There's a roller bearing of some sort in the middle there. Zoom in. See how well can it focus? I guess it's okay. There's a roller bearing right there, that little disc in the middle. Yeah. Still recording? Yes, it's still recording. To the SD card, good. Okay, good. Get that roller bearing out of there. Be a neat little thing to yeah. I wonder if I could encase that in some sort of resin. I don't know, I've never worked with resin before, and I'll give you another project. Yeah, there it goes. There's one path. Looks like a watch face almost. Really expensive Rolexes. Or a Bulova, whatever. It's so crazy that this can't be internally lubricated. There's the rollers right there. Little part with the rollers. Yeah. It's sandwiched between two washer-like looking things. Yeah. Well, I see it's kind of getting stuck on the pistons. Okay. Okay. Is that the only thing holding this thing in? I don't know. And there's another roller bearing in the bottom. You can still see it. Readjusted. No, now it just wants to fall off the damn table. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. Don't see any obvious clips in there. Bits of plastic in there, like bits of green, light green plastic. It's not the fiber from the shirt, I don't think. Rags. Yeah, I don't know how that'll come out of there. I thought I had a flathead driver around here. I got a little one. Itty bitty. Itty bitty committee. Right, that goes to the roller bearing. That's the roller bearing. Those are just the journals for the roller bearing in the bottom. And same with those three holes in the middle. That, and that. It's mirrored on that, just on the other side too. For the roller bearing on that side. Yeah. Doesn't this look like a obscenely expensive watch face, doesn't it? Obscenely expensive analog watch. Right. Yeah, the pistons, they're just... So, when this one is fully this way, that one is fully in. So, they're double-sided. Get this off. I don't want to break everything. I just want to... Right. Nah, it's just knocking stuff off the table. Yeah. I don't see any obvious places where I can detach attach the thing, it'll light in there. Flashlight. See, there's like some sort of like a bushing in there, or some sort of sleeve. Yeah. Pound that out? I don't know. Yeah, it's just mirrored on this side. It's double-sided. It's a 10-cylinder compressor. Yeah. Moths flying around everywhere. Okay, that's not gonna do it. That's too thick. Damn. I'll probably actually make a watch out of that and make like a one-off watch and sell it on an eBay auction or some sort of rich people website for stuff like that. Oh yeah, dude, I look totally cool with my suit. My David Byrne style suit. Actually, now it smells like, now that it kind of smells like pipe, that blue pipe glue that you put on like sprinkler pipes and whatnot. It kind of does. It has that very chemical flammable smelling thing to it. Huh. Actually, no, those aren't rubber at all. Weird looking piston rings. They look like round versions of an Apex seal on a Wankel engine. Yeah, it's weird. I just twist it and see if something falls off. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty cool how it works. Oh, now it's actually coming off. So I just gotta wiggle it a bunch of times. Okay. Yeah. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. Little half ball things that just, they're like little, kind of like little cam lobes almost. And there's one on each side of the piston. That's one side. Yeah? Nah, that's not gonna come off. Damn it. Oh, there we go. Aha! See, this is the piston. See, it's double-sided. It's pretty cool. Make a nice little displayed piece. The last one I took apart wasn't nearly as fancy as this, and it was also well and truly fucked. There's the other roller bearing. It's sandwiched between these two washer things. There's your rollers. This is the piece that, see, look, it's like, yeah, it's a weird looking little thing. There's your pistons, or piston, double-sided piston. Yeah. Pretty cool. These are all the little, I don't know what you would call these. Yeah. So yeah. Totally coat these in rubber, make them into wheels for my lawnmower. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. Well, now I want to launch one of these out of something and see how far it goes and how much damage it will do. Make some sort of air cannon thing. Probably have to round off that nose, one of the ends, make it a proper bullet or something, that we wouldn't just immediately fall from it. The air resistance. Yeah. That's like the piston ring on there, the seal. This little black thing. Yeah. I think last one I took apart, I took the bottom this piece right here, where the pulley would go, put a magnet in the bottom of it and gave it to someone as like a little magnetic parts tray. Yeah. Are these magnetic? I want to know if these are magnetic. Neodymium magnet to the rescue. It's stuck to another magnet. Everything's falling. I still have some film I need to get developed in here. Little canisters of film. Oh my god. Yes, it's very magnetic. It's cool. And oily. I think I'm sticking these little magnets so they don't get away from me. Yeah. Looks like a piece of modern art right there. Some hipster would probably buy that for like $1 million, like that. Just like that dude that strapped a banana to a wall with duct tape. And some dude came along and ate it. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. Yeah. It's I don't know what that is. Other magnet. That's probably aluminum. I don't know. Fancy wheels for cruising on the street on my lawnmower. Boombox strapped to it. Although it's not a riding mower. I don't know. Fancy overkill wheels for a push mower that's like over 20 years old. Yeah. There's a little. Something on that one. Yeah. Make a cool little display piece. Probably encase it in resin and make coasters out of it. I don't know. Drink coasters. I don't know. He's just I'm mesmerized by these things. Tiny little roller bearings. Here's the pulley. Basically, the way it works, so you have your big. This is like your pulley, so it's being driven by your serpentine belt. When you turn on the AC, you hit the button inside the car on your climate controls. It engages electromagnet and it goes. You just hear. It slaps it hard actually. If you turn off your engine and just leave the key to on, turn on your AC with the hood open. Just hit the AC button, you'll hear it. Hear a big clank. That's the clutch engaging to the pulley, and yeah, that's how your compressor spins. So it's not just running all the time. Yeah. Cool. I was thinking about this. These are probably too small for lawnmower. Like how big it is, because I think the ones on the lawnmower are way bigger. I don't know. You could. I don't know. Encase them in a lot of rubber. I don't know. Hard plastic. I don't know how hard it would be to drill through that. Probably very, very hard. But yeah. See, I've absolutely destroyed the ball bearing, and they're trying to get this thing off with the screwdriver. Now the balls have fallen out. Now it's got me wondering. This little thing. Yeah, that'll just be too much for it. But yeah, I have a bunch of scrap metal. More stuff that can be turned into modern art. I don't know. I don't know. Pistons, bearings. housings for the pistons, shaft. Yeah. There's the back housing where your refrigerant goes into. That's where your lines go. You can see suction, discharge, so high pressure, low pressure side. The bolts that I cut. It's funny, when I guess they must have just been so torqued down. Yeah, now I can just spin it, take them out by hand. Funny. Actually, that one doesn't want to come out now. There it goes. I was being uncooperative for a second. So, yeah, pretty cool. Well, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.